have completed it now. This is part 5. This is the last part of this now. I'm going to share it now. I'm going to put some music over it. Okay, let's go for it now. Let's see what's been done. This has taken me a while to do. I've been doing this. It is now Sunday at 10 o'clock. I've been doing this since Thursday afternoon, I believe it was. I started it. Usually something like this would at least take me on a slow time, at least a week and a half to 2 weeks, just doing bits and pieces here and there at a slow pace and whenever I want to. But I've been constant with this, and then I've had all the editing of the videos and cutting them, and well, that is the editing, and then uploading and airdropping and uploading to YouTube and all that, all the different parts. It's been a lot. So please, if you're watching this, even if you're not subscribed, please leave me a thumbs up at least, because it's taken a lot of work to do this video and get all these parts together. I'm going to put all these parts into a playlist. You'll probably, while you're watching this, you could see it. So they're all being there from 1 to 5. So you can all watch it together if you want. If you've missed any of it, go and watch it there and everything else as well. So if you click out of my videos on my main videos page, you'll see at the top in the bar playlists. If you click on that, you'll see bookmaking, parts 1 to whatever. They're in there. It is 1 to 5 though. Right, let's have a look at this now. Right, starting from the main page.